Project then add one photo. Set the format to 9:16, then zoom the photo to fit on the format. Adjust the duration off clip to 5.3 seconds, then copy it the adjust the copy clip to 4.9 seconds duration. Add audio. You can download the audio on my shorts videos or TikTok account.
Love. Oh yeah.
Click the audio and put this white line on the middle between the clip. Click match cut then click auto generatedo add the beats that we'll need.
Papi, 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 papi.
Split the audio between the two clips and delete the first clip and audio. Click and drag the audio and put it on our clip. Now start screen recording. Click the clip then add keyframe at the start and put the next keyframes based on the beat or yellow dot. Once you add keyframe based on the beat, move and zoom your clip like this. Stop screen recording then add it as a clip. Remove the scene we don't need and change the speed to reduce the duration and adjust it to 5/3 duration. Now, drag the audio to the second clip, then extend the audio to the first clip. Click the second clip, then add graph on the keyframe to have smooth move. I used ease out too.
Papi, 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 papi.
Now, let's add flashy effects. Click plus sign and add white from stock videos. Zoom it to cover whole clip. Click splice and choose overlay. Then add animation fade out with 0.3 second duration. Adjust overlay duration to 0.4 second.
Papi, 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 papi.
Put the overlay like this on the beat, then copy it 6x then put it in every beats. Now add transition. Click the box between the two clips, then add transition.
Love, 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 love. Oh yeah.
Papi, 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 papi.
Exported. Thank you for watching.
Love, 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 love. Oh yeah.